so we're going to get shake over there and chill down. Yeah, you have to shake. Wait, let's see here. Yeah. Shake.
Okay, go. Now what?
That's back up there.
Okay, go. Whoa, you alright?
Yeah.
Did you fall down? Walk it off.
I have to slow down.
You have to slow down?
Yeah.
Is that why you won't fall?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to get over there and that slow down over here.
Okay, that sounds good. Go. Yeah, way to go slow down.
Yeah, I slowed down, but then I can put an animal.
Who's that in the mirror?
Now I have to jump over there with I jumped ready for Noah.
What was that?
Yeah, I know. I don't drop this. I have to get over there and get the tree.
Okay, that sounds great.
Okay,
Oh, you're putting it in the tree?
yeah, I got it.
What do you got?
I got something to play water. I want water.
You want water?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll go get some water. How do you ask nicely for water?
please.
Yes, okay, we'll go get some.